Hey everyone, welcome back to Spiral. Today we are tackling an important topic: keeping kids safe online. One major concern for parents is preventing access to pornography. In this video, we will explain simple, practical ways to block porn on various devices. Whether you are tech savvy or not, these steps will help you create a safer internet environment for your family. Let's get started on making the web a safer place for everyone. There are several methods you can use to block porn on your child's device. Let's discuss them one by one. First up, use a parental control app. The best one we recommend is FamiSafe. It blocks adult websites through web content filtering and app blocking features. Here's how it works. FamiSafe automatically filters and blocks access to pornographic websites. It categorizes sites into various types of content and restricts those that fall under inappropriate categories such as adult content, gambling, and violence. Moreover, parents can manually add specific websites to a block list. If there's a site that isn't automatically filtered, parents can ensure it's blocked by adding it themselves. Also, FamiSafe enforces safe searches on popular search engines like Google and Bing, which filters out explicit content from search results. Last but not least, parents can block apps that might contain or lead to inappropriate content. This includes not only browsers but also social media platforms and other apps where explicit content can be shared. By using these features, FamiSafe helps parents create a safer online environment for their children, preventing access to pornographic content across multiple platforms and devices. Before proceeding further, it's a request that you subscribe to our channel for such amazing content. Moving on, you can install Google Family Link from the Play Store or App Store on your and your child's devices. Follow the setup instructions to link your child's account to yours. Use the app to manage your child's device, set screen time limits, and approve or block apps. Additionally, you can enable Safe Search on Google Chrome. Open Chrome on your child's device. Go to Settings by tapping the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to Privacy and Security. Tap on Safe Browsing and select Enhanced Protection or Standard Protection to enable it. For the Google Search app, open the app on your child's device, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, choose the Safe Search option and pick the Filter option to filter explicit results. You can also use DNS configuration to block porn by opening the Settings app on your child's device, going to Network and Internet, Wi-Fi, tapping on your connected Wi-Fi network, selecting Advanced or Modify Network, changing the IP settings to static, entering the desired DNS addresses. Example, for DNS Family Shield, use 208.67.222.123 and saving the changes before reconnecting to the Wi-Fi network. Finally, consider using spyware like Spike. It allows parents to track every website their child visits, even in the private browsing mode. With the website block feature, you can block all porn websites by entering the URL in the Spike dashboard. This ensures your child won't be able to access these sites on their device. Spike also offers other monitoring features like reading social media conversations, tracking real-time location, and monitoring call logs. For complete protection of your child online, Spike is a great option. You can watch my detailed Spike review using the I button. Remember, these porn blocker tools and methods work best when paired with honest talks and education about online safety. Explain to your kids why these tools are used and guide them on safe internet use. Open communication helps them understand the importance of these measures and encourages responsible browsing habits. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Spiral for more tips on keeping your family safe online. See you next time.